While we're waiting on this to dry, I've got all that leftover paint. So why don't we just have some fun? Have some fun, have some fun, have some fun. Let's take the rest of this out. Maybe I should have put a base coat down. Kind of folding it like ribbons, like Christmas candy. And my cat is so whiny. Meow. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Oh, come on in, find your piece of tape. Yeah, hello. 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 I'm right here. What are you doing? Hello. She's gonna talk to me through the door, huh? You don't know. Well, you do know. Make up your mind, bud. You are. No, you're not. You're not making up your mind at all. Oh, buddy. Wow. Yeah, I can see your one eye poking through the crack in the door. Uh-huh. Just push it open. Push it open like you do everything else. I'm going to end up in the silent movie business thanks to you. Yes, I am. It's not funny. Don't know why I'm laughing at you. Yeah. Yep. I don't know. I don't know anymore either, Taz. And away he goes. Don't worry, I'm sure he'll be back. He's always back. What a royal mess we have got on this. I'm glad I have disposable tablecloths. These things are a dream. The paint peels right off when the paint's dry, so you can have skins. And then you just crumple it all up and toss it away. It's a dream. It's a dream, it's a dream. I'm just going to paint the sides of this a monotone color, so I'm not worried about not having enough paint on the top to cover the sides. It's one of those deep dish canvases. Yeah, one of those gallery wrap deep dish 1.5 inch sides. Wonder if they make them in a stuffed crust. Ooh, I kind of like where that red and white kind of made that little curve there. Okay. Like that. Yep. And I put my thumb right in the part that I like the most. Alright. There's no silicone in any of this, by the way. None at all. And I would show you closer, but I don't want to take it over and spill it on that other painting right now. Man, that is pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. dugger. That was a flubber dugger on my part. Oh, that's so pretty. I like that. I'm not too worried about the corners. I'll be going over them in a solid paint probably. But I don't like the lines that you get from paint runs going down the side. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about, like that. See, that can dry bubbled around like that, and I don't care for that at all. Not one bit. So I'm just going around, taking them off, smoothing it down. There we go. Okay. And then I will set this off to the side and we'll see how this one came out also tomorrow. How about that? You guys got a 2-for-1. Pretty neat, huh? I'd say that's very pretty. I like it. Hope you do too. Okay. Someplace clean to set this. I will return. Unfortunately, these didn't dry in time for the posting of this video, but I will have dry results on Friday's video when I post my fast forward recap of my Artapalooza appearance. So please come back on Friday and check out the dry results. Until next time, loves and hugs y'all. Bye!